Hello guys, welcome back to the FX Academy and this episode 7 of our beginner course, which I will be talking about strategies. And the first strategy we are about to learn is the supply and demand, but with the market structure break. So that's one of the most profitable strategies that I've tested and I've ever used, and one of my favorites. And today I'll be sharing it with you guys. So before we talk about market structure break, we know market structure, like we learned that in the previous episode. So from the previous episode, we all know that markets do not move in a straight line. They move in patterns. Like for example, for the uptrend, they move in patterns of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And for the downtrend, you know that markets move in series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and so on. But markets do not move in those directions forever, and at a certain point they must come and change direction. For example, if it's been going up, it must come and change to be going down, and if it's been going down, it must change to an uptrend, like that. And that's the series of the market. And we know that most traders just jump into just some strategies, but we are gonna learn this strategy from scratch, story by story, in parts, and this is part 1 of the strategy. But today I'm showing you I'm showing something very simple that professional traders always look for before entering the market, and it's called the market structure break. And once you understand this, you never stop guessing the market. So a market structure break, first of all, is like a signal that tells us that the current trend might be losing momentum and indirection is forming. For example, if we are having a downtrend, we know that a downtrend is in series of higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we break on a retest, like after forming the deepest lower low. On a retest, instead of forming another lower high, prices just continue with breaking the structure. And whenever we break this, we know that all sellers are getting exhausted in the market and buyers are coming in. Likewise to this, for the uptrend, we know that an uptrend moves in series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And after forming the deepest higher high, we expect prices to come like up to here, form another lower low, and then continue upwards, and then continue to form another deepest higher high. But when prices just come downwards and break the recent higher low that created the deepest higher high, then we know that the market has broken, and that's the market structure break, and know that the trend or the buyers are losing momentum and sellers might get in. Now we also have the weakest, this is a market structure break, that a strong one that break with momentum like completely, and then we have a weak market structure break. A weak market structure break is what? For example, you have two scenarios. One scenario, it's when the candlesticks, wicks are the one breaking above. Like the bodies are here, but it's the wicks breaking above. It's the wicks breaking above. Now, when you see that it's wicks breaking above, then we know that this is not a strong market structure break. So it's not advised for you to trade this or see it as a real bias reversal, because this could be a market trap to grab liquidity. We only want to see full body candlesticks breaking above the recent swing lows or swing highs. Now we have another scenario, and another scenario is when prices come moving series of higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now on forming the deepest lower low, prices instead of coming and break like from here and break completely, they just like it comes and break completely to form a strong market structure break, it just forms another lower high, and then on coming down to form the deepest lower low, it fails to do that and then just breaks this swing. Now if you see such a thing, just know that you do not consider that the sellers are getting exhausted because they haven't broken the lower high that created the deepest lower low, and therefore you must wait till this swing that is having the deepest or the deepest lower low come and break the swing that created it. Then we consider that a strong market structure break. And when you see that, just know that sellers are getting exhausted and buyers are coming to the market, and that's likewise to the bullish or to the bullish trend. So when you see that in the bullish trend, just know that buyers are getting exhausted and sellers are getting into the market. Now let's have a little bit of examples and see how we trade this before we get further with the strategy. Okay, now let's have an example of what we've learned. Now this is an uptrend because we can see that we are having a series of higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So for us having this is a higher high, then we know that the trend is bullish. So the trend is bullish, and then we know that the market can't just be bullish forever. Like at a certain point it has to return and change direction. So from here we know very well that for this to change direction, this is the last lower high, the last higher low that has created the deepest higher high. So therefore these prices must come and break this for us to be having a strong market structure break. So let's spread this out and see how it runs. From here we can see that prices have made another higher low. So basically what we need to see is that we need to see these prices are coming and breaking above this higher high. Like they should come and break for the trend to continue this higher high and create another deepest higher high here. So that's what we want. Or yeah, definitely that's what we want. All prices should come and break this last higher low. So let's play this out and see how it comes. So when we play this out, we see that prices came, and you see this here is a rejection. We are having a rejection here. We are having a rejection here. We are having a rejection here. So that means there was a force, and we shall learn that in the later on videos. So we got rejected there, and prices, instead of going up to create another higher high, so it is coming back, and we don't know what's going to happen. So it's coming back, it broke with this. And remember on our market structure break scenario where we had a weak market structure break scenario too, and we say that if prices break the higher low that never created the deepest higher high, then we consider this a weak market structure, like a weak market structure. It's weak because we do not know, like prices can still return and go upwards. So all what we want to see is see if prices can come and break this higher low that created the deepest higher high, so that we consider that the trend is now turning to be bearish, that buyers have changed momentum. So bring this out, let's see what happens. Prices keep moving downwards, and we try to see that prices are approaching the recent or the higher low that created the deepest higher high, and boom, it breaks it. Like when it breaks it from here, we need to first see a strong breaking, like a real strong breaking. This could be a good break, but we need a full body outside. And then when we see that, immediately we are having a strong market structure break from here. So you having this strong market structure break, we can now confirm that the trend is turning to be bearish. And when you see closely, we shall see that the trend is going bearish. Like from here, the trend just changed to be bearish from an uptrend to a downtrend. Let's play this out and see how it goes. Basically, the trend just continued downwards. We see that from here, now somebody would have known that we are having a strong move downwards, and someone would have made profits right from here, like would have made profits all the way downwards, just after knowing one small thing, the market structure break. Now let's see another example. In this example, we are having a downtrend, and this is a pair of USD/JPY. So with this pair, we can see that this was an uptrend consisting of a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And so basically all we want to see is to see that prices keep on breaking structures, so that the downtrend keep intact. So when we try to play this out, we see that prices breaks this lower low, having a breakout structure there, and then we see that prices have come and created the deepest lower low. So if we've created this deepest lower low, so that means we must, this is the lower high that has created this deepest lower low. So for us to have a breakout structure, this price must come and break above this, so that we be having a strong market structure break. So let's play this out and see how it goes out. So on playing this out, we see that prices come, praise, and we see that it has failed to break this deepest lower low, and then we expect these prices to come and first break this, to consider that sellers have been exhausted, are getting exhausted, and then buyers are coming into the trade. So on playing this out, we see that there was a little bit of rejection, but eventually prices are coming to break the structure. So let's see. Immediately prices have broken the structure with this green candle. So that means we are having a strong market structure break. We have a stronger market structure break. Okay, so us having this strong market structure break, we immediately know that the trend is changing. And in the later on videos, we are still running the strategy, and we shall see how to measure the retracement and then go into the trade, because eventually definitely prices have to retrace a little bit before they move further. So on playing this out, we see that it was a complete uptrend. It was a complete uptrend. Like prices kept on moving upwards and upwards and upwards. This is a tested strategy, because this is not a current price action, but it has been tested and it's been practiced, so it's a genuine strategy. So if somebody just came in and and entered from here, he or she would have made profits all the way the other side. Yeah. And in the next videos, we are going to continue learning the strategy so that you get well versed with it. Keep on tuned. This is part 1 of the strategy, and then we shall be having part 2 in the next few days. So guys, stick to the channel and subscribe please if you haven't subscribed, so that we grow as a community. Thank you for watching.